Welcome to my channel. 1. How V12 engine works. Explain. 1. Cylinder arrangement. The engine has 12 cylinders divided into 2 banks, each with 6 cylinders. These are set at an angle, typically 60 degrees, 90 degrees, or 180 degrees, to form the V shape. 2. Intake stroke. Air and fuel enter each cylinder when the intake valve opens, and the piston moves downward, creating a vacuum to draw the mixture. 3. Compression stroke. The piston moves back up, compressing the air-fuel mixture in the cylinder for efficient combustion. 4. Spark ignition. At the top of the compression stroke, a spark plug ignites the compressed air-fuel mixture, initiating combustion. 5. Power stroke. The combustion causes a controlled explosion, forcing the piston downward. This movement generates mechanical energy. 6. Exhaust stroke. The piston moves back up, pushing burnt gases out of the cylinder through the open exhaust valve. 7. Crankshaft function. Pistons are connected to a crankshaft. As they move up and down, the crankshaft rotates, converting linear motion into rotational energy. 8. Even power delivery. The 12 cylinders fire in a specific order, ensuring smooth and consistent power delivery, reducing vibrations compared to engines with fewer cylinders. 9. Cooling system. A cooling system circulates coolant around the engine to prevent overheating from the combustion process. 10. Lubrication system. Oil is circulated to lubricate moving parts, reducing friction and wear. Thank you for watching.